Hi, this video is going to be a bit different. So I wanted to do a spell video or some type of practice because it seems like you guys love watching spells and other magical workings rather than theory. And although my practice is 70% learning and 30% practice, I do love making these types of videos as well. And also spells are fun. Who doesn't love them? So I'm going to do a working from a book called Spells for Change, and it's written by Frankie, and you probably know their channel. I will link her channel down below if you would like to check her out. I don't know her in person, but I think her content is very informative. So when I opened this book, The Witch's Battle was the first thing that I saw, and I felt like something was telling me that I should try it. But because I want to do this later on for myself, I chose a different working that I wouldn't mind sharing. I'm thinking though to make a video about the Witch's Battle in the future. I did film the intro, and then I realized that in the video my camera took only half of my face, so I gave up and just decided to do a voiceover instead. So the working that I chose is Self-Love plus Healing Satchel. Not sure I'm pronouncing it right, but anyway. And while I'm cleansing everything, I will read what it says in the book. This spell is used to assist in bringing in more love and passion into your life, to heighten your confidence and help you heal from any recent hurt that has been brought against you. Be wary that a self-love spell may not always manifest the way you want, and in order to truly manifest self-love, there is a need for active work in that area. Then we have materials: rose quartz, chips or stone, cinnamon, rose petals, juniper, blue or pink candle, hibiscus, mugwort, velvet or fabric satchel in the color of your choice. Now, because I don't have all the ingredients, I will adapt this working a little bit and make it more unique, and you can do it as well if you want to. I found that when I adapt my workings from books to suit my intention, I get better results. Step 1 is grab the candle with your intention, whether that is healing or self-love or both. Usually the candle is the last thing that I do just because I like to light the candle as the last step in my working. So I'm gonna skip this step for now. Step 2. Take the satchel and consecrate it by blessing it or cleansing it with smoke or water. I already did that. Step 3. Place each item into the bag, and as you do so, recite the following chant. I'm very bad at chanting. I add my intention through visualization and sensation. Basically, I see it in my mind's eye and can feel it, so I will skip this step. Step 4. Light the candle with a similar intent and seal the bag with the wax from the candle, or simply drip some of the wax into the satchel. Let the candle burn down in a safe place. Step 5. Carry the satchel with you when you need a boost of confidence, or keep it in your personal area for assistance through shadow work and self-love. So I'm going to start with adding herbs and items to my satchel. And by the way, I chose a black color because this is the only color that I have. Black is really good for protection. And the overall intention for this working is healing, attracting love, and by that I don't mean romantic love, I mean more like universal type of love, as well as protection. I'm going to start by adding rose quartz. It's already cleansed and charged, and I will anoint these chips with self-love anointing oil. It smells really nice. I love roses. By the way, all of these oils I sell in my shop. If you want to check them out, I have my shop linked in my description. So rose quartz is really great for healing and attracting unconditional love. It emits strong vibrations of love that can help you in healing workings, as well as bringing peace and tranquility. The next thing that I'm going to add is this mirror quartz for protection. The idea is that if negative energies are directed my way, the mirror is going to reflect it and send it back. I will anoint them with protection anointing oil. Next, I will charge this cinnamon stick and add it into the bag as well. I guess you can use powdered cinnamon as well. This is just what I have. Cinnamon is really great for healing and protection. Next, I have rose petals. Mine are red. Roses are great to use for protection, love, and healing. The color red is also great for courage and strength. If you have pink roses, it's great for self-love, unconditional love, and all these things. Mugwort is a herb well loved in our practice. It's great for healing workings, but also strength, and protection. Then I'm going to also write my intention on a piece of paper. If you don't know how to write a petition, you can write your intention on a piece of paper, then sign it 3 times on the paper, then turn the paper clockwise and sign it again 3 times. Turn the paper and sign it again 3 times. After that, fold it towards you if you want to attract something, rotating the paper clockwise. If you want to dispel something, do everything counterclockwise and fold it backwards. I'm not sure my explanation makes sense. I might need to do a video on it in future. Anyway, my camera died, and while my battery was charging, I carved my intention on all of my candles. I used pink for love, blue for healing, and black for protection. Of course, while adding my intention and charging it with my energy, I will then anoint the pink candle with my self-love anointing oil, my blue candle with healing anointing oil, and the black candle with protection anointing oil. Because I don't want to add the candle wax directly into my bag, I will add the wax from the candle on my petition before I place it inside. I will then place my satchel underneath the blue candle and then light all the candles. You can pay attention to your candles while burning if you would like to do candle divination. My black candle finished burning faster than my chime candle, and it also felt like I probably should do more protection workings, because in this spell it's not going to last very long. And when you do any type of working, it's very important that you add a detailed intent, whether you do it through visualization, sensation, or incantation. What I mean by that is, don't just add stuff and light a candle, but know why you are doing all these steps and charge your herbs, crystals, candles, oils with intention. And you do that by centering your energy, grounding, and then you can take this energy, move it through your hands while holding your item, and direct your energy into it that is filled with intention. And this takes practice, and if you are new to this path, you might want to try the basics first before doing spell work. If you would love to support this channel, you can always check my Etsy shop. It's linked in my description. Like this video so that more people can see it. Subscribe for more witchcraft content, and see you in my next one.